I'm excited to tell you or show you how far we've gone with the cucumbers. We are actually harvesting the cucumbers, and they've been amazingly doing so well with the flowers and everything. I've come to like cucumber. It looks like a very easy crop. If you've been here before, you know that I like doing the easier ways or planting the easy crops or crops that have like a good quick return and also that do not consume time and they are not capital intensive. If you're looking at crop that you want to grow and you have limited resources, then cucumber is one of those crops that you need to grow. So we planted our cucumbers, and the best thing about cucumbers is they you grow directly, like you plant directly onto the soil, the seeds. So there's no transplanting, there's no nursery time and all that, meaning that it is very quick. So you grow directly onto the soil. Within 45 days, they'll be flowering. By the 60th day, you'll be having fruits or even harvesting. And therefore, it's a very nice crop, very easy. If you want to do it on a full time, the crop is also very profitable because the Kenyan market or in the market, people like cucumber. It's a very healthy crop. So if you're looking at a crop that is simple, easy, quick, and also um, you'll not have difficulties in selling, then cucumber is the right one. We've done cucumbers at the farm. We've done cabbages. Right now, we are also growing some onions. So I'll give you like an update on the onions that we are doing in next week. I think in the videos coming up next week, I will give you like a good farm tour. I'll show you what we've done so far, but I'm really glad that the cucumbers is has done so well, and we are on the harvest side of it. So there's a video that will come up mostly next week, just showing you how we are harvesting and how much we've harvested. We we are in the preparation of doing our seed beds, not our seed bed, the drip beds for onions, for upcoming onions. But this is our cabbage. I didn't like the cabbages actually. I'm not sure so well. The growth is not as I had expected, but we are going to have a few heads. We only have like one drip line of cabbages which are not coming up very well. We've also uprooted our onions because they had disease they were highly invested by diseases, so we've removed that. But as we prepare for our onion beds and as we check on our green peppers, I'm just excited about the cucumbers. So that's like the main thing that I'm going to show you. This is our tomatoes. They have not done so well because of disease and disease control. So we are still again going to uproot them. I might give myself a break on planting tomatoes because I don't think that I'm doing the right thing. So I will be uprooting them and also just taking it slow when it comes to tomatoes. But I'll increase my onion portion because of course the market right now for onion is quite good, so I will increase that and maybe decrease on the tomatoes. So let me know on the comment section if you have any questions that for me about cucumber, if you want to grow cucumber, if you want to learn more about cucumbers, because I think the soil in Mbuvi Farm is loving the cucumbers. We are having huge cucumbers in Mbuvi Farm. They're quite amazing and quite encouraging, and it's something I think I will plant over the season or sorry about that, or yeah, for a long time, and maybe just reduce some of the other things that I'm doing. Yes, so if you have any questions for me, please push them on the comment section. I'll be able to tell you about cucumber. So when you plant, you also need to stake. So now this is the staking part of the cucumber. You stake it to just give the crop strength for it to carry the heavy fruits. The fruits are quite heavy, and therefore, if you leave them down there, they will get soil, or they will get the water, and it will not be good. Our cabbages are they're not as big as I had expected. You remember last year we did a very nice video on cabbages, and we planted the F Gloria F1. But this time round, I think something happened. Either we did not till the land nicely on the drip line, and maybe they're having issues with stem growth and all that. But I will change that in the next season, or take a pause on cabbages. We also do not have spinach because the birds kept on feeding on our spinach, and we didn't none survived, or just a few stems survived. So right now we are replanting our spinach, and I'm hoping that the birds will not uh, eat the leaves, because I think it has rained, and maybe they were looking for water. So, do you have like any other plant or crop that you have you need guidance, be it maybe dania, onion, spring onion, or any other crop or tree, or any fruit tree that you need my guidance on? Because I am able to maybe make a video from the farm, or grow a certain variety that you would wish me to cover. If this is your first time here, I appreciate it. I love you. Please don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to share us out. And please also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for visiting Bovie Farm. We love you. Bovie Farm is all about sustainable living. I'll show you the part of the crops, and also show you the part of the livestock. We love you. I love you. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Thank you, guys. Thank you.